button.
Yeah, come on, push a button.
Push the goddamn button.
Push a goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
So today I'm gonna see if I can take off a saddlebag for you guys in order to throw on my SharkRoads. So I know the easiest thing for me to do right now is take off my saddlebag. So let's do that. Open this up. Let's dump all this out. Let's unloose these clamps right here. I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what I'm doing. I took off my saddlebags before, but they're off. Close this. Don't want to damage my saddlebags. That's how you take off your saddlebags. Now I'm on to step 2. Alright guys, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna use this tool and we're going to loosen up this bolt right here using this tool. It's a 9/16 and that's what it takes, a 9/16. So I'm just gonna loosen it up for now. Alright, it's loose, you see it's wobbling. Alright, that's one. Alright, second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use this tool again. And this tool is a 13mm. And we're gonna loosen up and take off these two right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try this already. There we go. Let's do it the manual way. Don't lose your tools. So I got one off. Second one's loosened. That's number 2. Took that off. Alright YouTube, what you guys didn't see me do was use this little 8mm there's 2 little small clamps down here. That's like tightening bolts. Use the 8mm and loosen them up and now everything is loosened. Okay, now, like I said, 8mm, use the proper tools, it will help. Now, we're gonna see if we can try to take off the left exhaust pipe. All right, YouTube, we're gonna take off the left exhaust pipe. It should be simple. All you gotta do is probably wiggle it. Let's see if it'll take off. It's hot, man. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. The left exhaust pipe is off. It is off. There we go. Maybe y'all can see inside there. But the left exhaust pipe is off. If anybody needs a stock exhaust, as long as you pay for shipping and handling and I don't pay for everything, you can have it. Just pay for everything. That's the left. All right, YouTube, now that that part is off, now we're gonna put on our new SharkRoads 5-inch tips, boy. That's a big boy. All right, so this is a smaller male, and we're gonna put it into the smaller female. As you can see, there are 2 different sizes, so make sure you match them up correctly. This should be easy to put on. Hey, don't damage my stuff. I just got this. Alright. Let's not break it. There we go. A little bit more. About right there. Trying to align this together. I'm going to start by clamping those together first. Now with SharkRoads, they give you new ones. Thank you, because I ain't gonna lie, I lost the other one just that fast, and I'm sure it's around here somewhere, but it's here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get one of these, put it together, just like that. And we're gonna put it on here. Make sure it's lined up correctly. There we go. Put one on like that. And see, it does fit. Let's get another one. I want to say thank you, SharkRoad, for having the proper, tools to help put this one on. I am sweating so hard, you guys. Sweating so hard. All right. Get the proper tool, and let's see if we can put this on right. Which one we're no, I gotta get a new tool. Well, I'll figure that out. Anyway, I'm gonna tighten these up, I'm gonna tighten that up, and when I'm done, I'll get back to you guys. All right, YouTube, I did my best, clamped it on. Let's look at the difference. That looks a lot better. What do y'all think? Y'all think that looks a lot better? I hope so. But then we got to still put on, the touring pack. Like I said, I put that on, so I'm just gonna take this off. Y'all know how to do everything else. I'll take this off and do it out of video. I already showed you guys how to do it, so I'll be back to see if this all works out. So I'll be back. All right, YouTube, I'm done. Here we go. There we go, right there. Now I gotta admit, this stuff was hard. Yes, it was. This one right here, I swear on my life, if you do not, I repeat, if you do not have the proper tools, I literally had to go to Home Depot to buy that. I did. If you do not have the proper tools, you will suffer. I have not cranked it up yet. So, without further ado, here's my 5-inch SharkRoad. Let me put it, I think it's in gear, so let me take it out of gear right quick. Let me sit down on it. Let me sit down. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, that's a lot louder. Taking out of gear. That is a lot louder. A lot louder. Yeah. That's a lot louder. All right. now that I'm done, how long did it take me? I ain't gonna lie, it took me over 2 hours. The left one was okay, but the right one was a bitch, man. I ain't gonna lie, because it wouldn't screw on tight. I mean, it wouldn't screw on because it was so rusted. So I had to literally get like some kind of lubrication to, you know, lubricate the right side exhaust. But I'm gonna go take it off for a spin in a little bit. But that right side, oh my God, it was a pain. This bolt right here, color scratches already had made on there, that's okay. But that bolt right there was a pain. But I don't know if you can see it, but no, you probably won't see it. But I had to use lubrication on the edges in order to screw it in. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? So, but I did it. So I'm gonna do a little test ride on it and see if I like it. Anyway, Game Freak out. Like, share, subscribe. If you want me to test out your pipes, if you want me to, just send me an email. My email is in my about me. Send me an email, let me know what you want me to test out and see if I can install it myself. And there we go. My new Harley Davidson Road Glide 2025 Mystic Shift exhaust SharkRoads. There we go. Anyway, Game Freak out.